Hello, student. How are you? I hope you are all good. So now today we talk about question 11 to 20, 11 to 20, exercise 5.3, arithmetic progression, and which are the most important questions. Question 11 to 20. Question 1 to 10, I upload two separate videos. Question 3 in separate video and 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 in separate video. So now we discuss about question 11 to 20, है ना? Which are the most important questions. And I prepared this for you. है ना? 11 to 18 questions and 19 and 20 I will take from book. So let's start. Very first question. Question number 11 is the if the sum of the n terms on if an AP is 4n minus n square. What is the first term? What is that is S1? What is the sum of first two terms? What is the second term? Similarly, find third, tenth, and nth term of an AP. So let's start. Question number 11. It is given that Sn equal 4n minus n square. Okay. So S1 equal A1 S1. What is S1? S1 is the sum of first term. Sum of this first term is very first term of this AP. So S1 equal to A1 equal 4 into 1. We put 1 in place of n in Sn. In this, so 4 into n minus n का square यानी 1 का square. Okay. So 4 minus 1 equal 3. We get A1 equal 3. So S1 equal A1 equal 3. Okay. Now we what is the sum of first two terms? So S2 equal. We place 2 in place of n in this equation. 4 into 2 minus 2 का square. What we get? 4 to the 8 minus 2 का square 4. We get 2. So sum of two terms equal 4. Okay. It is our second question, second part in of this question. What is the second term? Second term is A2. A2. What is A2? A2 is S2 minus S1. We get A2 as S2 minus S1. What is S2? S2 is 4 and S1 is 3. So 4 minus 3, we get 1. So A2 is 1. A2, what is A2? Second term. Second term equal to 1. Okay. Now we discuss about similarly find the third term. Third term A3. A3 is what? S3 minus S2. S3 minus S2 is A3. S3 minus S2. S3 4n minus n square. We put 3 in this equation. So 4 into 3 minus 3 by square minus S2. We have S2 4. S2 equal 4. 4 3 का 12 minus 9 का square. 3 का square 9 minus 4. 4 minus 12 minus 9. We get 3 minus 4 equal to minus 1. So A3 equal to minus 1. Okay. What is the 10th term? So A10 is equal to S10 minus S9. Okay. Now we put S10 in place of S in this equation. So 4 into 10 minus 10 का square minus this minus. And we use bracket in this place. S9 4 into 9 minus 9 का square. Okay. Now we calculate this. 4 10 is 40 minus 100 minus 4 9 is 36 minus 81. What we get? Minus 60 minus 36 minus 81. 81 or 36. 11 में 6 minus करो तो 5 और 3 minus तो 4. तो minus का और minus का 45. So minus 60 and it is plus whatever. What we get? Minus 15. Okay, minus 15 is 10th term. Now we talk about nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP. Here we calculate. Okay. Nth term. What is nth term? Nth term. Nth term. is S S n minus S n minus 1. Okay, friends, observe this pattern. S10 minus S9 is A10. A3, S3 minus S2 is A3. So Sn n term is what? Sn minus Sn minus 1. Sn is n term is what? Sn minus Sn minus 1. Okay. Now we use this place in this question. So we erase this after solve this. Okay. Sn 4n minus n square. Sn, it is Sn, it is our Sn minus 4n minus 1. N is replaced by n minus 1 in here. 4n minus 1 minus n minus 1 whole square. Okay. Now we solve this. 4n minus n square minus 4n minus 4. 4n minus 4 minus, and here we use a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2n plus minus 2ab. Okay. We open this bracket. So 4n minus n square minus 4n minus 4 minus n square minus 1 plus 2n. Sign is changed. So what we get? 4n minus n square and 4n and plus 2n, 6n. Minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 minus n square. Okay. So 4n minus n square. ये आ रहा है वीडियो में? हाँ ठीक है. 4n minus n square 4n minus n square 4n minus n square minus, here it is minus. So we open this bracket, minus 6n plus 5 plus n square. So n square and 4n minus 6n minus का 2n plus 5. What we get? 5 minus 2n is our answer. 5 minus 2n. आ रहा है इसमें? Okay. So it's question number 11 is done. So please pause the video and note it down, and I will check my answer. Question 12 answer is correct. Answer is correct. So pause the video and note it down. So I erase this. Now we talk about question number 12. Question number 12. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Divisible by 6, 40. Very first number is 6. Divisible by 6. Very first number is 6. Second number is 12. Third number is 18. And fourth number is 24. And dot dot dot. ठीक है. First 40 positive. To 40 terms. Now we find the sum of these 40 terms. Find the sum of first 40 positive integer divisible by 6, where a equals 6 and b equal also square minus 6 equals 6 and n equal 40. What we get? Sn equal n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now we put these values in this formula. N upon 2, 40 upon 2, 2 into 6 plus 40 minus 1 into n. What we get? 20 times, so 20, 2 6 are 12 plus 39 into 6. 6 9 are 54, 6 3 are 18, 18 or 5 23 plus 12 into 20. Okay. So 12, 4 or 2 6 or 3 1 4 into 2 into 20. What we get? 2 0 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8 1 9, 2 2 are 4. 4 9 2 0 is our answer. So please pause the video and note it down. Now we proceed to question number 13. Question number 13. And here it is question number 12. Question number 3 is find the sum of first 15 multiple of 8. This question is same. 15 multiple of 8. The 15 multiple of 8 is the table of 8. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, and up to 15 terms. Okay, terms. So now a equal 8 D equal also 16 minus 8 also 8 and n equal 15. Now we use our formula Sn equal n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into medi. Okay, n upon 2 15 upon 2 2a 2 into 8 plus 15 minus 1 into 8. What we get? 15 here 15 upon 2 up to 8 is 16 plus 14 into 8. 14 8 जा कितना होता है? 15 upon 2 16 plus 112. Okay, and 16 plus 112 is 128. 128. 128. So 15 upon 2 into 128. और 2 6 12 4 8 15 4 जा 15 4 जा 16 and 15 6 जा 90 96 960 and it is our answer. So please note it down, question 12 and 13. And now we proceed to question 14. After 14 question number 14. Okay, find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. Between 0 and 50 we have 25 odd numbers. What is odd number? 1 3 5 7 dot 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 up to 50 we have 25 odd numbers. Okay, so 25 terms. ठीक है, अब देखो 25 terms because 0 to 50 we have 25 odd terms. 0 to 50 we have 25 odd numbers. Okay, now a equal 1, d equal 3 minus 1 यानी कि n equal 25. So we apply our formula Sn equal n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into midi. Okay, n by 2 25 by 2 2 into a 1 plus 25 minus 1 into midi d2. Okay, what we get? 25 upon 2 2 plus 24 to the 24. Here we get 24 to the 48 and it is 50. So 25 upon 2 into 50. 2 25 times divisible. 25 into 25 625 and it is our answer. Now we talk about question number 15. A contractor on construction job specify a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follow. 200 for first day, 250 for second day, 300 for third day, etc. The penalty for is 50. Okay, now we have AP in form of 200, 250, 300. Okay, so 15, question number 15. A penalty of delay, penalty is 200 for first day. So first day equal 200 penalty. Okay, second day equal 250. Third day equal 300 and so on. Here it is an AP. So A equal 200, D equal increase on 250 minus 200, D equal 50 and up to 30 days. N equal 30. So calculate how much money the owner has to pay to penalty. So penalty for 30-day delay is equal to, what is Sn? Equal n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into midi. Okay, n by 2 30 by 2 2 into a 200 plus 30 minus 1 into b is what? 50. 2 is 15 times and here 15 400 plus 29 into 50. 29 5 9 is 45. 5 to the 10. 5 to the 10 or 440. 450. 414 50. 50 5 9 is 45. 5 to the 10 or 440. So 1450. And we add 400 to it, so 1850 into 15. So 15 0, 15 5 ja 75, 7 15 8 ja 127, 12 as carry, 15 1 is 15, or 12 as carry is 27. 27750 is our answer. Rupees 27750 is our answer. Now we check. 27750 is right answer. 27750. So please pause the video and note it down. A sum of 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is 20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each of the prizes. It is SN. 700 is SN. SN is what? SN is 700. Specified penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date is to be 7 cash prizes. N equals 7. N equals 7. Okay. N equals 7 students of a school for their overall study 20 less than, and D is 20. D is 20. Okay. D is less than, every time 20 less than. So D is 20. Find the value of question. Here we find first term A in first, and then we calculate 7 cash prizes. So we need to find A in this question. Okay. Sum of 700. So question number 16. Okay. So let's start. Sn equal n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Sn 700 equal n by 2 7 by 2, or 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d. What is d? 20. Okay. 700 times, or 100 to the 200. 200 equal to a plus 6. Here we get 6 to the 12, 120. Okay. And it is equal to 120 is subtracted from 200. 200 minus 120 equal to a. What we get? 80 equal to a, and 240 times divided by 2. So a equals 40. Okay. A equal 40. We get a equal 40. Now we calculate 7 cash prizes. A equal 40. A equal 40. A equal 40. Here ध्यान से देखो बच्चों, 40 plus 20 60 plus 20 80 plus 20 100 plus 20 120 plus 20 140 plus 20 160 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and these are the 7 cash prizes. We write in ascending order. So 7 cash prizes of 700 is to be distributed at 700 160 comma 140 comma 120 comma 100 comma 80 comma 60 comma 40. Okay, so it is our answer. So please pause the video and note it down. This it is easy question. Okay, now we proceed to 18th question. 18, 16, 17. In a school, student thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the student number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as in class in which they are studying. Class 1 will plant 1 tree, class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12. Okay, we now class 1. Now talk about question number 17. Class 1 plant 1 tree. Class 2 plant 2 tree. Of class 3 will plant 3 trees. Okay, 3. We have an AP in the form of trees. So AP is what? 1, 2, 3. Here we get an AP. Here we get an AP. 1, 2, 3, 4, dot up to 12. 12 terms. And here to plant till there are three sections of each class. There are three sections of each class. We talk about three sections in last of this question. Okay, so here we have a equal 1, b equal 1, and n equal to n. Okay, we calculate sum. Sn equal n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, n by 2, 12 by 2, 2 into 1 plus 12 minus 1 into d 1. Okay, 2 6 are 10. So 6, 2 plus 11, 11 up to 13, 13 into 6, 6 3 is 18, 6 3 is 18, 6 1 is 6 1 7, 78 3. 3. Now each section, please. Now each class has three sections. So number of all trees is equal 3 multiplied by 78. What we get? 3 is 24, 3 7 is 21, 21 or 2, 23. 2 3 4 trees. All trees is 2 3 4 trees. We check. Okay, it is right answer. So please pause the video and note it down. Now we talk about question number 18. Question number, a spiral is made up of successive semicircles with centers alternately at A and B, starting with center A of radius 0.5, 1.0, 1.5 and 2.0. And we observe it is a P whose first term is 0.5 and D equal also 0.5. And what is the total length of the spiral made up of 13 and equal 13 and equal 13. We need to find the sum of 13 terms of this AP. Okay, इसका फिगर जो है सेमी सर्किल में बना हुआ है. सेमी सर्किल इस टाइप का, देखो ये इस टाइप का इसका फिगर है ना. व्हाट वी गेट हियर, वी गेट इट इज सेमी सर्किल, इट इज आल्सो सेमी सर्किल एंड इट इज आल्सो सेमी सर्किल, इट इज आल्सो सेमी सर्किल एंड हियर वी हैव सेमी सर्किल्स ऑफ रेडियस 0.5, 1.0. so we have semi circles. Question number 18. Semicircles in form of spiral. Here R1 dot R2, R3, R4 are given as 0.5, 1.0, 1.5, 2.0 and given as which form an AP, which form an AP up to 13 term. We need to find Sn. So total length of spiral is what? First we use pi because we need to find the total length, and to finding the total length we need to find the circumference of semicircle. है ना, circumference of semicircle is pi r. Circumference of semicircle is pi r. So pi r. Okay, now so pi into n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we calculate value of pi. So 20. We solve here this in here. So 22 by 7 into n by 2 and 13 by 2. 2 into 0.5. A is 0.5. A equal 0.5. B equal also 0.5. 1.0 minus 0.5, 0.5 and n equal 13. Okay. So 13 minus 1 into D 0.5. Now 2 11 times 11 3 is 33, 11 is 11 or 3 4 14 upon 7 into 2 1 to multiply by 0.5 we get 1 plus 12 into 0.5 we get 6. So what we get 143 upon 7 into में 6 plus 1 also 7 and it is divided by 7. So we get 143 centimeter is our answer. Total length of the spiral 143. और ये बच्चों सही आंसर है. So please pause the video and note it down. Now we talk about 19th question. 19th question. 19th question is 200 logs are stocked. Here we get 200 logs. Sn equal 200. 200 logs are stocked and 20 logs is the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the next row, and so on. In how many rows are 200 logs placed and how many logs are in the top row? Okay, here 200 logs are stocked. 200. Question number 19. 200 logs are stocked. So Sn equal 200 and we have the pattern 2, 20, 19 and 18. We have pattern or series of logs as 20, 19, 18 and so on up to 200 logs. Sum is 200 logs. Sn here and A equal 20 or D equal 19 minus 20 minus 1. 19 minus 20 minus 1. Now we calculate Sn to find number of logs, to find number of rows, to find here we have to find number of logs. So Sn equal, we use the formula Sn equal n by 2a plus n minus 1 into dt. Okay, Sn is 200 equal n by 2a. 2 into a is what? 20 plus n minus 1 into my d is what? Minus 1. Okay, 20 to the 400 equal n into 40 plus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by n, so minus n plus 1. Okay, so 41 minus n, we get 41 n multiplied by 41 minus n and multiply by n equal 400. 41 n minus n square equal 400. We need n square in positive value, so n square minus 41 n plus में 400 equal 0. ठीक है, 400 के फैक्टर कीजिए. 400 2 से 20, 2 से 100, 2 से 50, 2 से 25, 5 से 5 and 5 से 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. Here we need 41 or 25. No, 16 or 25. 16 or 25. 16 or 25. 25 or 16. 6, 5, 11 or 41. 16 and 25. So we factorize this by splitting the middle term. So n square minus 25 minus 16. 25 plus 16. n plus 400 equals 0. So n square minus 25n minus 16n plus 400 equals 0. n common में तो n minus 25. 16 common में तो n minus 25 equals 0. n minus 25 we get 2 bracket n minus 16 equals 0. n minus 25 equals 0. We get n equal 25. We get two answers of n. And n minus 16 equals 0. We get n equals 16. Okay. Now we calculate 25th term and 25th term. Number of 25th term is what? Then n equal 25. n equal 25. n equal 25. So 25th term में log कितने हो जाएंगे? So 25th term is what? 25th term is what? A plus 24d. So A is what? A is 20. So 20 plus 24 into minus 1. 20 minus 24. Here we get minus 4, and which is wrong answer. So we take n equal 16. Now number of rows equal 16. So number of logs equal logs in 16th row. So equal 16th term, which is a plus 15d equal a 20 plus 15 into minus 1 what we get 20 minus 15 equal 5. So 5 logs, it is our answer. In top row, in 20, number of logs in 16 term is 5 logs. Okay, so we check our answer. 5 logs. 5 logs are present in the top row. Okay, ये हमारा आंसर है 5 logs and number of 16 60 है. Ignore, ये ignore. Okay, now we talk about, so please pause the video and note it down. Now we talk about our last question. Question number 20. Question number 20 is what? Question number 20 है आपका बच्चों. क्या है question number 20 भाई? 5.3. रामी 5.3. Question number 20 है, in a potato rows a bucket is placed at the starting point which is 5 meter from the first potato. ठीक है, देखो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन पे बनाइए. ठीक है, यहाँ पोटैटो रखे और ये 5 मीटर है. ये A पॉइंट है, ये B पॉइंट है, ये C पॉइंट एंड इट इज D पॉइंट एंड सो ऑन E पॉइंट अप टू 10 पोटैटो. ठीक है, तो ये जो डिस्टेंस है 5 मीटर है और ये डिस्टेंस 3 मीटर है. 3 मीटर. ठीक है, ये डिस्टेंस भी 3 मीटर और ये डिस्टेंस भी 3 मीटर और ये डिस्टेंस भी 3 मीटर. तो देखो यहाँ पे हमें A भी मिलेगा, A पोटैटो एंड इट इज O पॉइंट. लेट देखो बात सुनो, क्वेश्चन समझो. 5 मीटर फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट पोटैटो a bucket is placed at the starting point which is 5 meter from the bucket is at O point. Let bucket is placed at point O. ठीक है, and potato is placed at point A, B, C and D and E. ठीक है, and so on. Straight line. There are 10 potatoes. देखो number of potato कितने 10. 10 equal 10 here. O. ठीक है, and A, B, C, D dot are the positions of potato. ठीक है, here we get distance. Here we get distance. तो इस क्वेश्चन को समझो. अब वो जो गर्ल है, वो गर्ल क्या कर रही है भाई? पहले ये जो बकेट है, ये बकेट खाली है. अब यहाँ ए पे गई, फर्स्ट पोटैटो पिक किया और यहाँ पे डाल के आई. पहले गई फिर डाल के आई, फिर सेकंड पोटैटो पे गई और फिर उसे डाल के आई, फिर थर्ड पोटैटो पे गई फिर उसे डाल के आई, फिर फोर्थ पोटैटो पे गई फिर उसे बकेट के अंदर रख के आई. तो यानी हर पोटैटो के लिए वो 2 राउंड लगा रही है. हर पोटैटो के लिए को पिक करने के लिए वो 2 राउंड का यूज़ कर रही है. तो हमें AP कैसे मिलेगा? ये डिस्टेंस इक्वल, देखो ये 5 मीटर 0 से A तक, OA इक्वल 5 मीटर और OB इक्वल 5 + 3. OB इक्वल 5 + 3 मीटर. ठीक है, 5 + 3 मीटर एंड ये 5 मीटर. एंड OC कितना होगा? OC इक्वल 5 + 3, 5 + 2 × 3 मीटर. ठीक है, अच्छा OD कितना होगा? OD इक्वल होगा 5 + 2 × 3, 5 + 3, 5 + 3 × 3, 5 + 3 × 3, 5 + 1 2 3, तो 3 × 3 मीटर. So we get AP. So 5, it form an AP. It form an AP. Which is 5, 8 or 2 6 + 5 11 or 9 + 4 5 14 and up to 10 terms. So up to 10 potatoes. Up to 10 potatoes. So A equal 5. A equal 8 minus 5 equal 3 and equal 10. And it takes 2 rounds. So we talk about 2 rounds in last of this solution. So Sn equal n/2 2a plus n minus 1 equal to the total distance. Total distance equal n/2. And here we use 2 rounds. Increment 2. Because in 2 rounds, each round 2 rounds. Okay, 2 से कर लिया 2. What we get? And number of potato 10. So 2 into A is 5. So 2 into 5 plus 10 minus 1 into A is what? Is 3. ओके, तो 10 2 5 10 प्लस 9 3 27, इट इज 37 एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाई 10 वी गेट 370, ओके, मीटर टोटल डिस्टेंस। तो प्लीज पॉज द वीडियो एंड नोट इट डाउन। बच्चों उम्मीद करके चल रहा हूँ ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आए होंगे। मैंने थोड़ा सा सिंपल तरीके से ये कराए हैं और जो है बाकी आपके फीडबैक से चलेगा तब तक के लिए, पता चलेगा तब तक के लिए बेस्ट ऑफ लक बच्चों।